Budgeting isn't only about cutting costs, it's about making your money work for you. I started my financial journey when I was 18 years old. I was tired of my family not having food in the fridge. I was tired of not being able to do certain things with my friends, not being able to afford a certain lifestyle. I love makeup, I love fashion, I love hair, all things beauty. And I hated that I couldn't afford to do the things that I wanted to do and like the little luxuries in life. So I took control and I learned how to make, invest, and save money. Here's a 7-step system on how to take control of your money and build your dream life. Step 1 is to save $1,000 in an emergency account, something to hold you up as you're taking control of your finances. Use a high yield savings account that'll build interest on your money as it sits in there. So think Ally, SoFi, etc. Step 2 is to pay off high interest debts, one at a time with consistent focus. Jot down your debts and check which ones have the highest interest and impact you the most. Step 3 is to build a 3 to 6 month emergency plan. This is a cushion just in case something happens and you're not able to pay your fixed expenses. Step 4 is to invest in your future. I would talk to a financial professional about your retirement, your business growth, and also your long-term goals. Step 5 is to save for short and midterm goals. This can be for traveling, events, or big purchases, whatever makes sense for you. Step 6 is to pay off remaining debt. These can be things like student loans, car loans, or credit balances. Some debts aren't bad, but again, I talked to a financial professional about it. And step 7 is to keep growing your wealth, whether that's multiple income streams, reinvestments, and planning ahead. I use my Dream Life Planner to budget every single dollar. Whether it's my fixed expenses, my variable expenses, my investment goals, my debt payoff goals, I plan it all. And seeing it in there all in one place keeps me accountable, but also in control. Budgeting doesn't have to be stressful. It's a system, a plan, and a roadmap to financial freedom.